When crafting your own body surfing hand plane, the first thing you need to do is find a good plank of wood. You should be looking for wood that is light and water resistant, such as teak, balsa, pine, and so on. Your next step is to draw a symmetrical outline of your hand plane design template on the plank of wood and then cut along the lines using a jigsaw. Once you've made your initial rough cut, grab a respiratory mask, some protective eyewear, and a random orbit sander to clean up the edges of your hand plane. During the first sanding phase, you'll want to use 60 grit sandpaper to turn down the edges of your hand plane and create some nice thin rails. Then, switch over to 100 grit sandpaper to clean up your lines and make the wood smooth to the touch. During the final sanding phase, I recommend replacing the machine sander with your hand for closer attention to detail. Once the hand plane is sanded down to your liking, the last step is to seal the wood with varnish and add a hand strap, which can be fashioned out of an old belt or even a broken ankle leash. Now that your hand plane is complete, you're ready to slide and rip. See you folks out there!